Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some essential beginner snowboard hacks that will make your first time on the slopes safe and fun. Whether you're heading to Europe's mountains or hitting your local hill, these tips will help you ride like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk weather. If you're snowboarding in Europe, remember that from November to February, it's generally cold. But from March to May, you can get some sunny and hot days. Dress accordingly. Don't forget the sunscreen. The UV rays reflect off the snow, especially under your nose and chin, so make sure to protect those areas. Always wear eye protection. When you're not using goggles, put on sunglasses to shield your eyes from harmful UV rays. Next up, always carry your insurance documents, passport, and any medical cards with you. You never know when you might need them. Learning how to read a piste map and understanding trail markers and signs is crucial. This will help you navigate the slopes and stay on the right trails. Watch out for other snowboarders and skiers. Remember, snowboarders have a blind spot, so be aware of your surroundings and give others plenty of space. Energy and hydration are key. You'll burn a lot of calories, so keep snacks handy and drink lots of water to stay hydrated. Watch your alcohol intake. It not only dehydrates you, but also many countries have strict rules about alcohol limits on the slopes. Stay safe and stick to water or non-alcoholic drinks until the après-ski. Last but definitely not least, always wear a helmet. It's a simple step that can prevent serious injuries. And there you have it, folks. Follow these beginner snowboard hacks and you'll be set for a great time on the slopes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more snowboarding tips and tricks. See you on the mountain.